Hello guys, welcome to the Future Internet Cafe. My name is Catherine and I'm going to be a guide throughout today's video. So in today's video, you're going to look at how to apply for SHIF, Social Health Authority. It's the one that is going to replace NHIF come the end of September. So the deadline for application is the end of September, but starting October, NHIF is going to be taken over by Social Health Authority, SHA. So what you do, you go to your browser and search for SHA and click on sha.go.ke, as you can see on your screen. So the next step is to register. Once the SHA website opens, click on register. The register page opens, click on proceed. Select your citizenship, enter your ID number and your phone number. A code will be sent to your phone number, so make sure you have access to your phone. Then click on proceed. Once you receive the OTP, one-time password to your phone, enter it and then click on proceed. So the first step is to enter your contact information and upload your passport photo. So to upload your passport photo, click to upload. Then answer your employment status, or rather choose, depending on what your employment status will be, the questions that you're going to answer will be different. So if you're employed, the questions that you're supposed to answer will be different from unemployed and from self-employed. So choose the one that applies to you. Choose your range of income. Enter your civil status. Are you single, married, divorced, or widowed? Are you living with disability? So answer all those questions as they apply to you, then click on next. So once you have done that, you'll be required to enter your household characteristics, enter your education, and then finally confirm details. As I stated previously, depending on whether you are employed, unemployed, or self-employed, the questions that you're supposed to answer are going to be different depending on your category. So this is for an unemployed person, okay? So these are the questions that they need to answer. Okay, so once you enter your identification information, the next step is the contact information. After that, you confirm and submit your details, okay? Okay, so once you confirm that all your details are correct, click on the declaration checkbox and then click on done. You will be required to set up a PIN that will be used for accessing your health data in the future. So make sure you choose a PIN that you can remember or write it somewhere. Then click on save. Congratulations, you have now applied for or registered for social health insurance. Okay, so you can click on download to see your application information like name, your number, membership number, and such. Also, you're required to visit your nearest, you can go to Huduma Center or any authorized SHA agent and have your biometrics taken, okay? If you're not sure where your authorized SHA agent is, you can go to your nearest Huduma Center or NHIF office, and they will be able to direct you accordingly. So thank you for watching. My name has been Catherine, and today we learned how to apply for SHIF, or rather SHA, Social Health Insurance, which will be replacing NHIF starting October. So until next time, bye-bye.